Why, hello. Welcome back to another stream. I know it's not normally a day I stream, but I had some free time, so I figured, why not? So, here, let me give you a demo of what I've been working on. Let me bump that up a lot. Go like this, and I set the F booty to something small, like 13. Look at that. I think that's pretty cool. And it turns out there's a bunch of really small ones I can do. And conveniently, I have written them down here. So, with this stream, I was just gonna go down the list and start adding some fun stuff. For context, for people who don't know what in the world this is, I've made a Minecraft mod called EffectMC, and what it does is add a bunch of little special effects kind of things. They're like building blocks for weird things. Like, for example, where's a fun one? Receive chat. You can say hi and it appears in the chat area. Stuff like that. Stuff that doesn't go crazy or anything, but, just hello world, just a little toast in the corner. Stuff like that. And it's controlled either by this little website that's hosted by the mod or a Stream Deck from Elgato, because I made a plugin for it. So you can just poke a button on the Stream Deck and then boom, it happens in game. But I always want to add more. I want more buttons. I want more things to do with it. So let's do it. I've got my code pulled up here. I actually finished FOV that was just for dramatic effect, so we can mark that off the list. And point view is next. So we have the ability to set point of view like this in Minecraft. Let's see. I don't remember where I was in this. I think I might have been done actually. Let me just. Oh, we have some errors. We have errors. Why are there errors? I'll move the plan over for a second so I can. I don't like you. I don't like the fact you don't have that. You shouldn't have errors like that. Hang on. Okay. Let's just try building it with the errors and see if it can figure itself out. Here's how. Okay, that built. I need to build this. This is where it blows up. Or it works just fine. One of the two. That is the only options. Oh yeah. And then where did I hide the? There it is. I'm just moving some files around off screen. Where is? There it is. I've now built a development version of the mod. Let's copy it over to my Minecraft instance. Shut you down. And we'll relaunch you. I'll put the plan back on screen now. Wait for the game to start loading. And hey, look, game. Alright, let's see. Did it work? I should see. There it is. Cool. Awesome. Love that. Love that. Okay. Something didn't work. It didn't give a response, so something went terribly wrong. Now we get to the part where I close down the game and figure out why it didn't work. Yes, give me dev tools. I want dev tools. I love dev tools. I don't care. I just want. Okay, that's gonna tell me nothing because I closed the game down already. Alright. So something went wrong. Can I get a log? Give me a log. No logs. Got it. My favorite. Hmm. Was it in core? That's where I'd have to guess. Okay, so we have a little bit of log. Here, I can safely show this part. So I am getting set POV started and setting POV first person. So setting POV first person is this right here. And then it dies before it reaches here. So we're gonna put some more logs in here. Yeah. I already found the error. I copy pasted my field view code, and it turns out if you don't do it right, forget to change field of view to point of view, it freaks out. Let's rebuild all the stuff. Alright. Just do a little copy paste over here. And then we'll launch up and hope that this works. There we go. And look, it's Minecraft. And we've got you. I should add a check for if we're in world. Unless the game does that for me, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm just gonna alt tab out of the game. And I'm gonna click this button. I like that. Let me time set day so you can see that a little better. With this button, boom. Boom. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. Alright. So that's point of view. Done. I'm actually gonna skip to add gamma next. Because that one's gonna be easier to do. Let me save and quit out of the game. So I was looking at this earlier. Where was it? Okay. Let's do the easy part first. We leave that there, that's fine. And then these two lines get uncommented for set gamma. Let me check and see how Minecraft stores their gamma. Override public boolean set gamma double gamma. Clicky keyboard, go click clack. So Minecraft dot get instance dot enqueue actually wait, can I just go abstract option dot gamma dot set. Okay. Minecraft dot get instance dot aim settings and gamma. I want to see if this does a check for it doesn't. Should be fine. It probably won't break anything too much, right? Hopefully. Okay. Let's make a gamma handler. Set gamma handler. And then we're gonna go gamma, 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 gamma. Isn't it amazing how much I can just replace the word with gamma? Get is double. And then this doesn't matter at all. Gamma, gamma, gamma. This code is all unnecessary. And then this gets to be add let's see. Float gamma 0.5 true gamma 0, and let's go float dot or double dot max value. Is that too big? That might be too big. Yeah, sounds great. Cool. Remember for FOV. Okay, cool. Awesome. Fun times. Then I need to pop over to core and say effects.add new set gamma handler. Pass in the core. And now we hop back over Alright, first off, build core. Install core. And look, it's all happy over here now. We build Forge 1.16.04. So for reference, the way I have this all programmed is I have a core piece that is non-Minecraft specific, and then all of the other I have versions for 1.16.4 and up for Forge and Fabric for all the way up to the latest versions. So I have that core just copied over, basically. Give me a copy and a paste. Replace. Relaunch Minecraft. There we go. There's some Minecraft. And let's hop into a single player world. In the meantime, head to the effects list, which is CSET Gamma. Ooh. So, hmm. Hmm. So it's a slider. Okay. Here's what I'll do. So that's one. Let's find a cave real quick. Look how dark it is in this cave. So there is no chance I'm going to be able to reasonably do something. So hang on 1 second. I'm going to pull up Postman so I can do better. Okay. Okay. We'll close 3000. Gamma. Me. Adjust this a little bit. Effect MC. Trust. Okay. There you go. So it's super dark in here. That should have set the brightness to maximum. Okay. And this should set it to halfway. Okay, cool. That's what I wanted to see. So if I do and figure out this, okay, people usually crank it up to how much? Is there a difference between 100 and 1,000, basically? No. What is the minimum value I can set it to then? Okay, it's a little darker. Hmm. Okay, so 10's not quite perfect. How close is it? What if I lower that down? 5's definitely not enough. 7, 15, 20. Okay. 14, 13. 10 from 13. 11, 13, 15. So 13? Let's try that as a range. So we're head to set gamma instead of max value because my gosh, that's big. We go for 13.0. And then for testing purposes, we can take this slider and set it to 13.0. Yeah, looks great. What if I send a negative number though? I'm just curious what happens. I can't remember if I have it checked for. Okay, yeah, I do have a check. Cool. Okay. I like that. I'm gonna set it to max 15 just for a nice round number. And we'll build core just so that gets sent off next time. So that's gamma. Gamma does different things based off of the Minecraft version at the or in more recent ones. Having it as a full right doesn't always work, but we'll see how it goes. Let's do the game mode one next because that one's gonna be a little different than the other ones. So what inspired this was I hit F3 and F4 and I can do this and I can select an exact mode to be in. And now I think it'd be really cool to have just a button I can hit to just do that. So now starts the investigative process of where in the world does that come from? What triggers that? So what I'm going to do, I go down to my decompiled Minecraft code, and I start staring at all this stuff. Move some stuff out of the way, just make sure everything's going. There's a screen for it, which means what I can do is look for something like game mode screen or switcher or something like that. Let's see. Debug? Yes, there. There's what I'm looking for. Alright. Alright. This is a lot of cool stuff. Switch to hover game mode. Well, that's the code I'm looking for. Minecraft.player.command. Oh. Interesting. Game mode switcher screen. A game mode icon. Oh, that's fascinating. Okay, okay. That's fascinating. I mean, it makes total sense, but still. Okay, here, I'll pull up Minecraft and I will explain how this works because it's interesting. Just full on interesting. Hang on. Oh, that's it. That's clever. It's slightly terrifying. I didn't expect that. Oh, wow. Okay, here, let me hop into a world and I'll show you what's happening. So when I'm hitting F3 and F4 to go into this little menu thingy, I can select a different game mode, and if I just release on it, it switches my game mode. Now you'll notice the message is the exact same as if I typed game mode creative, for example. That's because literally what the game does is sends a command as you saying either directly game mode creative, survival, adventure, or spectator. Oh, that's cool and interesting. Oh, wow. I see a lot of ways that could be hijacked, but wow. Oh, I know what this means. Oh, that's gonna be so funny. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, so that means I can add this effect if I do it exactly the same as Minecraft does, which is what I usually try to do. I can add this effect to set the game mode exactly the same way. Okay, let me show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, I will not have to go into any of the individual versions to add this effect because everything I have is already in place. I already have in the list of things that I can force Minecraft to do. I have one called send chat message, which it looks normal, but in later versions of Minecraft, commands and chat are different things. Let's see. Do I have commands separated out here? Probably not. Let me see. Effect executor. Where are you? Yeah, I just have send chat message, and it's up to each Minecraft version to handle turning it into a command. Sure. Check one thing real quick. Okay, cool. Just make sure it wasn't duplicating my own audio. Got spooked for a second. What that means, since I already have a function to send a chat message or command, I can add just the handler side without having to ever add anything new to each of the individual versions. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's do this real quick. Set game mode handler. Time for some magic. We're gonna go with game mode, and we're gonna take these and we're gonna get rid of them. And we're gonna go survival, creative, adventure, and spectator. We take this and we go game mode. And we go game mode. And we go game mode, game mode, game mode. Game mode. Game mode. Game mode. Game mode. And then we go full crazy. And we go game mode dot survival dot name game mode, and then game mode. Mode. Game mode. Set your game mode. Set your game mode. Setting game mode. Game mode. And then what I can do is go game mode survival. Because all the versions I support have stuff like this. Oh, actually, we can be fancier. Hang on. Okay, here we go. So core.getExecutor.send chat message. Okay. And then we're gonna go boom / game mode space plus get property game mode dot get a string. Set game mode. Game mode. Failed to set game mode. I don't like how does Minecraft call it? Hang on. Minecraft wiki. Give me a wiki. Or actually, I can check my own logs. Hang on. Game space mode. Okay. Huh? What? Okay. That was weird. Anyway. That was weird. Anyway. So that means we can go like this safely. We'll just make this consistent. And then that means Shift F6 game underscore mode. And you get game mode. And everything's fine now, right? If this just works, I will be incredibly happy. Let's drop this one for a second because I haven't actually implemented it yet. New set game mode handler. This. Oh, this should be like that. install core. At this point, I haven't touched any of these Minecraft specific versions. I just need to rebuild it, and it might just work, which will be absolutely crazy if it does. Okay, build successful. I copy the mod into my mod folder, and I launch Minecraft. If this works, I will be absolutely dying. Okay. First off, does it show up in effects? Yes, but I'm gonna change one quick thing. Set game mode. Label game mode with a capital M. Doesn't matter from a technical standpoint. We load into a single player world as I pull this up. Okay. Currently in creative, I hit this. Okay. Good to know, good to know. Alright. Let me just check the game mode. Okay, I just need to lowercase it. Got it. That's a really easy change to make. Not too lowercase. Build core. This is such a... I didn't expect that game mode was going to be like this. I thought it was going to be some special packet or some special thing being sent. But no, that makes sense based off of what I know about the game. Yes, this is modding stuff. I've discovered that they have done funny things in the game. There's this whole fancy game mode switcher, and I was like, I wonder how that works. I'm gonna tear it apart and figure it out. Oh, I actually made a quick list. Let me see if I can find it. I figured out that a bunch of the settings are easy to mess with and modify, so I made a list of them. I'm just kind of going down it. I've got one that lets me change the FOV at a push of a button, and a bunch of other little stuff. And I made it so my stream deck can just control all that. Yeah, it's the stuff I showed off in, where is it? Yeah, on Modrinth, where are you? In surprisingly my most popular video ever, I did a little mining off camera video, which I did entirely with this mod that I wrote, and so I'm adding more things that it can do. I should do a breakdown of this video someday. It was really fun. Let's see, that copy finished a while ago, so I should be able to launch Minecraft. And I can show all this off in a working state. See, I should be able to actually... Not everything, but... Okay. Minecraft! Load up Minecraft. And load up the webpage version because I cannot be bothered to recompile things every time. So, in-game, there's this whole little fancy mode switcher between survival, creative, and all this sort of stuff. And I wondered how it works. It turns out it's literally just sending the command as if I typed game mode survival in chat. And if Minecraft thinks it's a good idea, well then, I think it's a good idea to do. Perfect. It worked. Things didn't capitalize, but oh well. Like this one. Just set the FOV in. Boop. Actually, I wonder. Hang on. Let me see if I have this set up still. Streamer bot, where are you? Are you enabled? Cool, cool. Where are you? Now, this is my favorite little thing to do with it. I'm absolute garbage at reading chat, so I set up a little bot. This piece of software called Streamer Bot, and I have it automatically take my Twitch chat and send it into the game. You see it down here in the bottom left corner. That was my favorite little thing I do to just figure out what is going on. Let's see. That means game mode's all done. And that one's actually done across all platforms. This one still needs to get done on all versions. Let's do chat hiding. Now that I've called out chat in game. So my plan for this one, in options under chat settings, you can just straight up show commands only or hidden. And I want to make that a thing I can select. So let's hop over to here. It's probably gonna be very similar. Chat visibility handler. Visibility. Show commands only. And hide. Then I just kind of copy paste a bunch of code because I've written this all mostly already. And for autocomplete, it just kind of handles a lot of it for me. Show / hide chat. Show chat. Show chat, not show cat. Show / words are hard. And then we got on the string. There we go. Let me spell correctly. And then we go to here. Boolean set chat visibility. And now comes the fun part of taking my code and putting it and using my own code. Okay. This should complain. Good. Switch. Visibility. Case. Show. Action options. Chat visibility. Can I just set a value index? What's the value index of chat visibility? Let's see. What do we have? Chat visibility. There we are. Full system hidden. Got it. Otherwise known as show commands hide. Got it. Minecraft dot. Let's see. Result equals this break case commands only result equals system break case hide result equals hidden break and default to showing chat. And then magic. Actually, by default, we bail. I'll put that at the bottom because style. And it doesn't matter as much. Okay. And that should be all built. Then we build this version. I close down Minecraft. Then I do some copy pasting over here. Because there's no chance I'm leaking all of my recently viewed files. And then we relaunch Minecraft. Where is there? I really need to get some more music for my Vibe playlist, but it's hard to find good music that's not, DMCA murder. Don't get me wrong, Destiny soundtrack is great, but there's a lot of it. Okay, single player test. Give me a test world. Okay. I want you Forgot an important part. Hang on. Number one, you don't build. Why don't you build? You're fine now. Okay. But I do need to add it to the list of things that can happen. That would be useful. So build core, shut down Minecraft again. Build for ancient versions of Minecraft. Alright, build finished. Love that. Copied, and we relaunch Minecraft. Minecraft's now loading. Look at this. It's Minecraft. Nope, I don't need a multiplayer game. I need a single player one. Alright. So refresh this page. Show hi chat. Look at that. So I go like this. Close enough. And I go commands only. The setting changes to commands only. Which I think still shows my... No! Wow, would you look at that? Nothing's there. If I hide chat. I go to here. And I go... Actually, a smart idea of the day. Hang on 1 second. I grab an alt account. And I hop on... an alternate Minecraft instance. Let's open this to LAN. Creative cheats. Alright. Come on. Give me Minecraft, but again. Just so I can have something else to chat against. Where? Doesn't really matter, but I want to know where. There's my alt. I really need to come up with a better name, but it's fine. So if I type on here, it shows up. Is that what I expected? Yes. What about if I go like this? I go like this. Okay, I want to see the logs for you. Okay, cool, cool. But if I do something like most 80 low. Okay, that makes it through. Got it. Love that. Then if I go full on hide, I go test. What? Did I mess that up real quick? No? What? Excuse me? Okay. I have said it. Why can't I? Oh. Cool. Okay, just seemed to be a little slow on the draw. Let's try that again. So I do commands only. It does set it to commands only. Love that. If I set it to show, I have it set to commands only. Let me try something real quick. You give me Minecraft in queue. You. Let's quit out of you. Get out of here, and I pop you up. You've rebuilt. Interesting. Interesting stuff. And look, it's Minecraft, but again. Alright. See how this goes. So I take this, I set it to hide. I trigger the effect. I get a response. I try and open chat, chat opens fine. I go to chat settings, it's fine. I try again. I spam that button. I can still pull up chat. I might be really dumb here, hang on. I looked at this, but how hard did I look at this? Because I don't think I looked at it that hard. Get value. Okay. This is the same issue I have with a GUI scale is it's looping. It's not a magic set too. Is this accessible? It is now. Is it in 1.19, the latest version of Minecraft? Because if it is, I am just going to do some magic with that. What version of it? I mean, 164, cool. And then I scroll up here. Need net Minecraft client. No, I don't want to refactor. That's just me dragging it against my mouse. Options. I want this is what I'm looking for. Minecraft. What do I have in latest version? What do I do for over here? Because I know I wrote that. Options. Options that I can do a thing and then make it a thing. Okay. So if I were to look in here for something like chat. Let's just, for funsies, let's just implement this real quick. Let's just implement this real quick. I have this over here. I take this and I copy paste it. And it goes, oh no. Execute. And then we get to the complicated part. Minecraft dot get instance dot options dot chat visibility dot set. Well, isn't that much easier? Alright, so it's just old Minecraft being funky. Love that. Love that for me. Actually, yeah. So it's gonna be really easy in later versions of Minecraft and annoying in older ones. Love that for me. At least good to know that it's fixed when I see the word options, which I believe is actually pretty early. Yeah. 118.1 has it. Oh, it's literally only 116.4. Got it. Good thing I only have to deal with that for one version of Minecraft. Unfortunately, it's the earliest version I support, and I want it to be on par with the rest. Alright. Let's see, how do I do this? So, let me check setter and yeah. What does this get me? As long as I run save options afterwards, it doesn't care. Okay. We get complicated now. Game settings dot chat visibility result. Then Minecraft.GetInstance.game settings dot save options. Because I only have to deal with it for one version, then it will work for the rest. Yeah. I wonder something. Hang on. Let me. Ah, that's unfortunate. Actually, could be a lot worse, but. Yeah, okay. So let's see if this works now. I'd love for this to work now. We take you and get you exited. We take our copy of the mod and we mod Minecraft real fast. And then we go like this, and we go like this, and away Minecraft goes. That instance all queued up and ready to go. This instance queued up and absolutely ready to go. And then we hop into a single player world. So then I can theoretically pull this up. Let me reopen this to LAN. Okay, we should be on show. Beautiful. Commands only. That should take me. Commands only, yes. That's cool. You can't even see the message you send. Love that. And then hide completely. Should make it so I can't even open the chat. And now I should be able to go straight to show. Awesome. Cool. Get you out of here. Get you out of here. That one is implemented for this version of Minecraft. This is just entering, yep. Minecraft, get instance, game settings, save options. Let's add a GUI scale back in. So that's going to need a core build. And then forge build. If this works, I'll be so happy because this is going to be such a useful one. Where did... And there you go. Give me this. Yes, please. I want... Okay, cool. Copied mods. Replace. And there you go. That can go away. If this works. Let me drop this down. Okay, so we can test this right here right now. What this one does is in video settings, there's a GUI scale button, and it takes an integer. I'm curious what auto usually is, though. Let's figure that out first. Usually leave it on 3. Okay. In here, GUI scale. Want to find usages. Zero is auto. Got it. Love that. You're saying if I go here and I just like go back to my list, set UI scale, and I set the scale to 6. Love that. There's something else that needs to happen. It didn't update the GUI scale. All right. Do you do something fancy? No, you just do math. Yeah, that's just math. Why? Why are you the way that you are? What if I do it while... Interesting. Hop over to here. There we go. That's the line I'm looking for. Are you public? Please tell me you're public. Yes! You're public. I can access you. Minecraft.getInstance.update window size. Just fixing some formatting. If if the scale is the same, we don't need to actually go through and update the options and reset the window size. I'm just gonna be a little smart about that. Not that it really makes a difference. But it means it doesn't have to interact with the main Minecraft thread. Alright, so everything I built is local here. So I can just build without the core. Got it. Good build, fun stuff happens, and copy to mods. And then also exit out of the game and relaunch it. Okay, Minecraft's now launching. Look at this Minecraft. Where is? There it is. That's nice. And how does that look in a world? Oh, that's beautiful. Love that. Oh, yes. Awesome. Awesome. Love that. Okay. So, and then we can drop that down. So for render distance, video settings, it shows up in here as 12 chunks. And I can access that from out here, right? Yes. Yeah, let's do it. Set render distance handler. Chunks. 12 chunks. 12. Spell correctly. Set the render distance. Set render distance. Words. Distance. Chunks. Failed to set render distance. Now you may ask, where does render distance get defined? It gets defined right here. Chunks. And then we build core. Or first off, we make core stop complaining by going over here. Then we build core. And then we watch 116.4 cry. We don't implement a method. Oh my gosh, we should fix that. Interesting. What I want to see is I want to see you. Okay, 12 to 16 with steps in 1. Cool, 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 cool. Love that. And what happens if it's too big? It doesn't care. It might just work off the bat. Let's see. Build. Forge. I should probably be checking these off of here as I go. Let's see, that should be built. Let's do some copying real quick. And then we'll get Minecraft launched. Boop. Launch Minecraft. Oh, yeah. Alright. Minecraft. First off, remembering that I forgot to include render distance in the core. That would be a thing. New set render distance handler. This. One day I will remember to do that. But today is not that day. Alright. Alright, copy over mod. This file. Why do I have a Discord ping? Yeah, I don't need to worry about that. Cool. Love that. Wait for Minecraft to launch. And it's Minecraft. Look at that. Send this over here. Alright. What I want to see. I want to see first off. Look, render distance. Chunks. 13. Right now I have it set to 12. I want to see 13. Perfect. Now I want to see. In world. I'm going to drop it to 5. 5. I want to see the world change. Love that. Refresh. Beautiful. Love that. That's what I wanted to see. That's what I figured the effect would be like. Awesome. Okay. That's it set up for... What am I missing for my plan? I wrote a plan down. Where is my plan? Give me my plan. FOV, point of view, GUI scale. Let me change a couple quick things. Set FOV handler. We would like you to be FOV. Point of view. First and second. First person, third person, etc. I believe that works. Cool. Where is FOV? FOV, you get to be 30. What would you look at that? It's suddenly 30. That does Minecraft terrible for the service, but anyway. GUI scale. Working beautifully. Gamma. Beautiful. Game mode. Setting it to spectator is as easy as clicking a button. Perfect. Render distance. Awesome. And then finally, showing and hiding chat. Awesome. Check, 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 check. Okay. Now all that's left is to bring this all into all the versions of Minecraft I support for this. This is the part where we get to the boring code part that I've been half dreading. You'll notice I've just been slowly making all versions down here instead of actually doing that. So I'm gonna drag the plane over here, and we're gonna do some coding. So let's start with the easy part. I'm gonna take all of this all the way up to here, like here. Might have done PvP. Did I do PvP for the next version of Minecraft already? Let's see. You. Yes, I have done PvP. Okay. So we don't need to copy that part. We go here first. And then we pop over here. We go like this. We go, oh no, everything's broken. Then we go to options. Dot GUI scale dot dot I think that this one is still there it is. Option dot GUI scale dot what? Oh. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go with what I had here. An instance option dot GUI scale equals scale. Option dot save resize display. See what I'm looking for? Perfect. Love that. Execute. Options. Option. Options. Visibility. Did I misspell it or something? Okay, they just changed names. Love that. And then we got option, the render distance, and then we need to put an option here. And that's a 421.17.1 done. Magic. Then we take this code, and we copy it. It is, it is. And we go to 118.1. Which I'm heavily considering dropping at some point. Does this code just work? It might just work. Love it. That one just works. 118.2. Java. There we are. POV. And boop. Alright. Love that. And then this is where it should break. Right? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, yeah, no, we have to get that first. GUI scale dot set scale. Does this handle anything for me? Option instance. No. It doesn't. Unless I want to see what. Where do you show up? Give me information. What about 119 client? Where's resize display called? That's more important. In 119. Okay, I'll still need to do that myself. Got it. No big deal. I wonder. We'll look a little closer at you. Okay. Where are you? You are? Okay. You get called from where? 74 places. Love that. In specifically 119. Okay. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Great to know. Actually, still need to save the options myself, which also counts for you. Yep. Minecraft dot get instance dot options dot gamma dot set gamma. Minecraft dot get instance dot options dot save. And then this gets a big old slap of that. I don't want to try and enqueue something or try to do something when Minecraft's doing something. Chat visibility dot set result. Render distance dot set chunks. Minecraft dot get instance dot options dot save. And then doop doop doop. Magic. And then we take this code and we go to 119.2. Ta-da! Why are you complaining? Oh, oops. Forgot a semicolon right here. Boop. Magic. Love that. Now comes the funky part. I take all this code and I open this other folder called Fabric. Let's start closing a lot of tabs. So for Fabric, I don't even think I have anything implemented on this end. No, I do. Actually, I have POV. Okay, cool. The power of Vito. Boop. And then there's some funkiness because Fabric versus Forge. So first off, we go Minecraft client dot options already. Dry scale. And then we have Minecraft client dot execute. Boop boop boop. Options. Options. Right. Size window. 3. Window? No. What do you have for this? What is this in your mind? Not what I'm looking for. Got it. What does it look like over here? About 1,000 lines down? On resolution changed. Ta-da. Minecraft client, audience, options. Yes. And execute. I'm looking for. I want to replace. Is there a replace button? Close enough. Options. Right. Options. Option. Magic. Now that I have that translation done, I can take this and go on to 117.1. Magic. Well then, that makes it easy. 118.1. Repeat the code. It breaks. It doesn't break. 118.2. It doesn't break again. 119. It should break. It breaks. Oh no. So what do I have for 119 here? So it's upset at get UI scale dot. Ah yes. We change like that. Like that. There we go. What do I have for gamma? This, got it. Boop. Watch it cry. Boop. 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 Dot set value result. Minecraft planet dot get instance dot options dot render distance. There we go. And then we go with a Minecraft planet dot get instance dot options dot right. And also, no, we should figure it out. Cool. Minecraft planet dot get instance dot execute. Boop boop boop. Boop. Then we go like this, and we go like this, and we go like boop. And then we take this convenient code, and we copy paste it one more time for 119.2. And it just loads. Magic. Love that. So going back to the plan, we have done this. We have done this. We have done this. And we have, in fact, done that. That was the plan completely done. Ooh, love that. Do you know what? Hey, let me do something real quick. I want to add something to the like. So, I'll be honest, I have not done a YouTube video in a while, and I probably should also because I think it's really cool. So on like my pages for EffectMC, I have this little. I did a little mining off camera video, which has kind of a basic, kind of hard to describe it. It's just a demonstration video, kind of a trailer interactive thing, and I think it would be cool if I took a moment to. Where is RStreamX? There we go. Cool, that works. I want to walk through this video and explain how I did all the things. Because I think it's super fascinating and cool. Let me pull up the actual thing. 1 second. I'm actually going to hit the BRB screen. See, where did I have that? Because I keep way too much of the old stuff that I have worked on. Is it here? It might be here. I know Windows. Let's see, was this it? This might be it. Yes, it is. Awesome. What version was this? This was ran with 201. Okay. Which eventually became 210 because I can't bother to get names correct. So if I grab this, will this just work? They should stay out of each other's way. Hang on one more second. Sorry about the delay. Okay, I'll just remake that real quick. Hang on. Almost there. Awesome. Yes, cool. Okay. I love that, love that, love that, love that. That makes life so much easier. Okay. Let's launch this real quick. I know Windows. Okay. I know Windows. Okay. Should be able to go this screen? Yes. And you should be loading. Please load. Oh, it's downloading stuff in the background. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So here, actually, I'm gonna kill the music for a second. Come on, load. Load a little faster. Come on. Also, I want to pull one other thing up in the meantime. I got a comment on the video, and I would like to acknowledge the comment. Don't know why I got a sad face, but I need to figure out. Okay. Control Alt T. Actually, I can just close it. Load this world. I know Windows. Where is? Hang on, back to the VRB screen. Sorry about that. Can't go leaking everything. Yep, I was right. Okay. There we go, back to here. So where did I actually... I had a marker. I know Windows. Alright. Should I do a YouTube intro for this? Because I'm thinking about making it a video on my channel. I don't know. Could just start right here. Anyway, now that I've spent way too long doing setup. So, ironically, my most popular video on my channel, probably because it's the main one that's publicly available, is I did a little mining off camera, which is a showcase of my Minecraft mod called EffectMC. It allows for my stream deck to do various random things in game. That, for example, I can have it load a world, put some text on screen, play a sound, all sorts of fun stuff, and it's shown throughout the video. So what I wanted to do was watch the video and explain how parts of this worked. I've actually gone through the archives and I've actually managed to find the original world and the original profile that I used to set all this up. And so I wanted to walk you through how this all worked. So first thing you see is the title screen. This is all normal. And then I go to create the world and I type EffectMC, I set a seed, and this is all just show. This is all vanilla here. And I do a little mining off camera, and then right here is where I do something sneaky. This is where the first of the effects comes into play. Instead of hitting the left click on the create new world button, I instead simply click the load world button on my stream deck. Now I'm loaded into a world, and this world actually to be precise. It's the world titled EffectMC Trailer. That's the name I gave it when I created it. In case people are curious, I know I actually got an actual question. The actual seed is this. It's a random seed. It was just the joke of this is mostly the wait a second, I hit create new world. Why in the world do I have netherite all of a sudden? Anyway, moving ahead a little bit, we have the first intro title. This is literally me just pressing a button on my stream deck. Mostly just this is a raw recording. Trip. That'll be good progress on camera. Oh, nope. Oh, look. A creeper hiss. Yet another button right here. Set exactly where I was standing. How weird. And then just act surprised. Nothing here. Interesting. I thought I'm on peaceful mode. No tricks. It's just the fact that the sound engine doesn't care about peaceful mode. Anyway, let's see. Let's unload what I got. I got a bunch of diamonds. That's nice. Literally me just in creative mode 5 minutes before, just filling the chests with random stuff. Let's make this a miscellaneous cobblestone chest. Lapis, hang out with the redstone. Then gold and coal. Cool. Let's make sure my recording notes didn't forget. I will point out that, yes, I intentionally made it look like I have way too much stuff. It's very funny to me to be like a tiny house with way too much stuff. Anything? Let's see what mining. This is a actual legitimate book I wrote on that world. It's just, standard Minecraft book. Let me hop over there real quick. I know Windows. That was me. Let's see, where did I put that book? I put that book in here? Nope, it's right here. Okay. And I just wrote stuff in a book. The joke is this. Found a few spawners. Discovered a cool lush cave to build in. Defeated the Ender Dragon again. Went mining again. Oh yeah, and the new mod. That will be interesting. It had some random effects to the game. Up in the upper right hand corner, you can see a toast that says you should check your nether portal. That is, yet again, another one of the effects. It's simply, this one right here. It just has the, you should check your nether portal. I press it and that pops up. Convenient timing, but I thought I was the one to activate that. I should check my nether portal. Alright. It's a nether portal. That is actually true. It is legitimately just a standard nether portal. It has nothing special about it. Seems fine. I mean, I can maybe they're talking about the other half of it. Now things get funky. So, what you just saw was a couple things happen simultaneously. I walk in the nether portal. I wait a second. I press a button on my stream deck labeled Join Hypixel. This effect is one of my favorites, and it was the first effect I was like, I can do this. Oh my gosh. What it does, it disconnects me from the world and saves it. And then it connects me to Hypixel. Seamlessly. It looks like there could be a cut there. There isn't. It is literally, I can actually do it right now. I'm in game. I go over. I press my button. It goes black. I know Windows. And I'm on Hypixel. It's there. That's one of my favorite effects. I'm lagging, so I'm going to head back to the world using the load world effect I showcased earlier. And see how I am back now, exactly where I was. And let's continue. Okay, now I'm on Hypixel. Why am I on Hypixel? Oh my gosh. I was very sad that there was snow, because it means the bitrate dies, but it was worth it for being just on Hypixel. The bitrate. Yes, the bitrate. Alright, what am I supposed to do in Hypixel? Now, Hypixel chat is actually pretty... Windows. Anyway, Hypixel chat is actually pretty busy, so you may have missed that as soon as I said that, I actually triggered a message that says, you can take the portal to go home, your world is in danger. It kind of got mixed in. Also, I'm in with other various stuff. I'm on Hypixel, like I'm on the server. Go. Then, just to make it more fun, I popped up a message on the action bar, the one that shows up usually, mostly it's a this chest is locked kind of message, but you can just write whatever you want there. It's literally just a go home using the portal, press it and it appears. Go home using the portal. Well, I mean, it's a portal. Time for more flawless acting. I run through and I hit the load world button, which takes me right back in to the world seamlessly. And now we're just back home. Okay, fine, cool, great. Yeah, it's very fun. It just simply, I press button, world loads. It doesn't care. It will log out of the server. It will save whatever world you're in. And since the load world and join server commands save single player worlds, I can, for example, be here, load into Hypixel, and then when I come back using the load world thing, I'm still exactly in the same spot. And then we get to another fun one. Great. First, some really like that high quality acting by me. Why did that connect to Hypixel? I guess let's update the recording notes to say I removed that mod. Now, you may think it's as simple as a book swap, but no. Why be regular with a book swap? Because I can just open this book all I want. There's no book swap. It's the same book. It's just the fact that I didn't open the book. There is an effect called open book, and it's a little more complicated. Thankfully, on the wiki for the mod, I've set up a page of here's how to use this. And most book generators, you can just kind of copy a specific part, and it will just work. What it means is I don't actually have to have a book at all. I can just press the button and I get a pop-up. It's great. Fun time. But yeah, that's how I did that part. There's no actual book. It just was the data that a book usually contains. Let's see. Then we get to the next effect. That's not what I wrote. Check. Yeah, actually, a dead giveaway is you'll notice I right-clicked a book and quill, but this book doesn't have the writing features enabled. Anyway, next up skin is the skin part. Okay. Why is my cape doing that? Okay, this is a fun one. It's called toggle all. Or this one is setting skin layer. Let me pull it up here because it's real fun to see. So my skin doesn't actually have too many outer layer parts, but the easiest part to see is the cape. So I will pull that up real quick. So the way I have this configured is it's the same as going into options, skin customization. It's these buttons here, just minus the main hand. And there are 3 options. You can toggle something, you can show something, or you can hide something, and you can do it for all or an individual piece. And you can also do all by ignoring the cape. But for this, the main thing I know people would see would be the cape. So I can go here, go back into game, and I can just press that button, and it will toggle things. It is great. Let's see. And then we have what I call the final sequence, which was the series of 13 actions automatically set up as a multi-action to demonstrate how multi-actions can work. Or that they do work, sorry. And so I just all of my skin layers. Cool.
What do you think?
What?
Oh.
That's the narrator, by the way. Fun fact, one of the other effects is to make the narrator say something. The narrator is a little fancy. It's at least on Windows, it's actually a separate audio source from Minecraft, which makes it interesting to capture. The way I do my audio, I have a game audio and I have a different system audio, which is usually muted. And it turns out actually, if I don't, they are completely separate. Even if I tell Minecraft to go to a game, the narrator works on its own, and it cannot be muted. It is very interesting.
Oh, by the way, I would like to take control of this world.
No, I didn't type that. What? This is more fun little effects. The first one that says please affirm in chat if you'd like to transfer the world. That is one that simply displays a chat message in chat. And then we have okay, sounds good. That was actually sent by me. I could theoretically fake it with the receive chat, but there is actually an effect to send a chat message or a command. Then we have another bit of a delay. This is the part I had to like meticulously time. And then we had doing the actual transfer accepted, and then no, please no. I do not want to have to no.
Please kick them out.
No. That's a little fun bit at the end. It says please kick them out, and then it just says thank you for watching at the very end. This is actually a trick and disconnect. It will literally, using the same system as before, log you out of the server, disconnect you from the world, save the world, and to display a custom screen. And I just use it as a thank you for watching. And that's how I did it. It was a lot of simple building blocks just combined together to create a little 3-minute fun thing. And I think it's actually pretty great. But I mean, did you think that this was all this mod could do? Because it can do a lot more. If I go to here, I have a list of everything this mod can actually do. And I'm live right now coding even more of the things for it to do. For example, just today we've added the ability for you to set brightness, field of view, live, and render distance, live, just with a push of a button. And we've also added the ability, I don't know if it's in the version I have active, but even if you don't have a Elgato Stream Deck, which is what I usually use, you can actually use a built-in web interface that's hosted by the mod, so it will never disappear. Just manage everything for you as well. It is extremely cool, and I'm extremely proud of this. And I'm also very surprised that my other mod has like 100,000, so much more downloads. This is the one I've poured a lot more work into, but that's just how it be. Anyway, that is how I did a little mining off camera. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the mod in the description. Please, if you have any feedback or advice, I'd highly recommend opening an issue on GitHub. It's literally where I also write down ideas. I don't care if it's a very ridiculous idea. I'll look at it, see if it's possible, if it's something cool. But with that, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Cool, I'll just have to remember to cut that together and post that as a YouTube video. Also, it's very awkward that the Stream Deck plugin just doesn't work anymore. It's been a while since I renamed it from the old naming scheme I used to use, an io.github.mosady to mosady.com or com.mosady. So funky things happen when I do that. Where is? I actually need to uninstall the plugin I downloaded because I would like that not to stick around. It should be in places that I absolutely cannot leak because there is so much there to leak. Yeah, that's just so much leakable content right there. Yeah. Where is it? Give me plugins. There's plugins. I have to close down my stream deck for a second. Quit. Kindly go away. And then I can bring that back. Alright. Let's see. That was very cool. I'm glad I finally updated that because I've been. There was actually a comment at someone asking, "What about the seed?" And I'm like, I don't know how exactly to explain this. I faked it. Yeah. Let's see. One more thing I want to do is I want to take all of these piles and piles of changes. Look at all those changes. And you, what are you? Okay, right now. All right. Actually, I'm gonna do this in where is this? We'll get Hub Desktop because that's what I usually use, and I don't want it to break. So we're gonna pop over to EffectMC. Look at all this stuff. That's a lot of changes. I know Windows. I can actually silence you now. Where is you? Silence. Yeah, now only I am the one who needs to be bothered by it. Yeah, the reason why it broke, I couldn't do effects is these were kind of overriding each other and being weird. Oh well then. Alright. So, added. Set FOV. Set POV. Set GUI scale. Set gamma. And set chat visibility. And set game mode. Even though that doesn't appear. Oh, also, set render distance. Now that do in fact be a lot of changes. I want you to go away real quick. Hopefully you can't hear Windows being annoying. Okay. I'm gonna fetch. And then I'm gonna commit. And I'm gonna push. And now comes the fun part. I have an automated build system that will automatically test and make sure that the mod compiles and that there's no major errors. Now there is one part that's going to immediately fail. It's going to be this part. Because for each of those new effects, I need to go design an icon. Times 4, to be precise. And I'll be honest, it's going to take way longer than I have stream time for. Basically what I need to do is, here, I'll give an example, join servers. I need to have 4 icons 4 versions. A little icon that appears. Where is Stream Deck? And let me scroll down to here. So I need one of these icons. I need 2 sizes of that, and then I need the actual icon that appears on the key, which is the more like where'd it go? Give me like this style. I think I have yeah, there's my examples one. Yeah, these style, fun stuff like that. But I'm gonna make those all off stream because I don't feel like doing that on stream. But in the meantime, let's watch this build. It should take like 2 minutes. You can actually sneak into one and see what they. It's perfect timing actually. Just started building. Best part is I don't think I've actually leak anything here. Because all these logs are publicly accessible. And it's also just building a mod. There's not much to leak here. So this build system is actually pretty cool in my opinion. So first it builds that core non-version specific code just to make sure that it has access to it. And then it'll automatically reuse that code for the rest of the builds, including the Stream Deck one, which just failed. Compilation failed. I forgot to bump that number up. Even better. Love that. Let me go to build like Cradle 2.2. Yeah. Here I can show you what it looks like when it doesn't work. Generate a Stream Deck plugin. What could go wrong? It compiles. It does its thing. Hmm. Now, this part works great. But the problem is if I ever tried to use the actual validator tool, which is skipped in this part, it would be like, there's no icon here. But if I check the summary and down here, you'll notice, first off, the Java 8 versions have finished their compilation, and half of the Java 17 versions have finished. Yeah. This is very nice because it also means I have an authoritative source on here's exactly how it's going to act when compiled. So eventually, probably in the next day or so, when I finish drawing all of the icons, I can take the last built versions from here and upload them to Modwraith and CurseForge and make a release here as well. But yeah, looks like, barring this one failing for whatever reason, I say as it finishes successfully. Ta-da! This is all built versions of the mod and the core, even though it's not helpful to anyone. The only thing that didn't build was the Stream Deck plugin, and that's because I don't have icons for it. And also I forgot to update the thing. But yeah. It's done. It took 5 minutes, but it's finished. It finished compiling. Well, I have a lot of icons to draw now. I have how many now? Let's see if I check my GitHub thing. I just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new effects, which I'm also gonna need to write wiki pages for, because I record and create a GIF for each one. Like for example, loading world. I have a nice picture of all the stuff, and I have GIFs of them working, because I feel that's really important to show how the mod works. It also means I can reuse them when doing marketing. But yeah, I need to go record all those GIFs, make them into GIFs, and generally just wrap this up, and then I'll push out a new version and probably advertise it with that video. But yeah. Also, I can turn the music back on now. I turned it off for the video just in case. But with that, I want to thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the absolute craziness of trying to stream, but thankfully I had a lot of time today, so I figured I'd go live. You can expect some changes to the schedule. I'd mostly just recommend, if you want to be notified when I go live, I have a Discord. I usually add everyone who's interested before. Actually, I'll shove a Discord command in chat. Yes, I'll need to fix that at some point, but I forgot to put my overlay on. That's funny. Anyway, join the Discord if you want. It has a channel that literally its whole sole purpose is I start streaming, I message the channel. And also you can tell me things I can do better on my stream. Because I know I can. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.